But I just wanted to show you something cool. You know, this epic LED light that I made. I'm going to show you what happens when I crank it by hand off this beast. So I'm just going to get the tripod and set that up. You see I've got the meter here. So from the rectifier to the meter to the LED, which these top 8 aren't connected. This is 4 strips of 4 connected in series. I do love copper. Everybody loves copper, right? Right, so I'm going to turn the light off so you'll see nada, and then you'll hear me cranking on the old doobop. So yeah, that's that. I just thought that was pretty cool.